For 16 years, this indoor gym at Frans Figueroa in Nord fills up with Zumba dancers week after week. Roseanne here is the Zumba instructor who started this class 16 years ago. 16 years later, she is still going strong at the same location, and if you can believe it, there are some of these students who have started with her since day one. The beauty of the Zumba class is how diverse it is. There's people of all ages and all walks of life dancing right here in this class. Here's what they say they love about Zumba.
I love the dancing, I love the music, and I'm doing Zumba for 18 years now. And it helps us, the exercise helps us to get nice old.
It's the perfect moment for me to get distressed. It's my time, and besides of that, it's the fun, it's the energy that you get out of it, and the friendships.
For me, it's really like therapy. Like, I love the dancing, the choreography, especially of our teacher, Roseanne. It's like amazing choreography. And just the moving, the shaking, the sweating, everything. And all my friends here as well. It's like a family, a Zumba family.
The dances, seeing how people dance, the different sort of dances, the music, it's really nice.
To mentally disconnect, and for 1 hour I can focus on something I love and a break from all daily routines and activities.
Yes, we have to move.
Yes,
it's for our health, you know.
We relieve the stress.
Yeah.
Therapy.
Doesn't matter if we do it right or wrong, but we enjoy ourselves.
Yes.
So for me, it's not just fitness, but it's to have a mentally reset so I can function and be a better wife, a better mother, a better businesswoman. So that's the reason I love Zumba.
It seems like everyone in this class has a story to tell.
In this Zumba class, we have different groups. You have Cody, that's on one side.
Cody, do you love Zumba?
Yes. Yes.
You have the mother and daughter that's on the other side.
Yeah, because she did Zumba with me in my belly. So I did Zumba till almost 9 months pregnant. So now she can do it.
And on the other side of the class, you have the older ladies that are still active and they follow the class perfectly. And
Now on this side of the room, as Nen mentioned, belongs to the more seasoned Zumba dancers, with Maraika at the front of the line, then Lucille, then Rita, and so on. They are known as our more mature dancers. They've all been coming to Roseanne's Zumba class for more than 10 years, but there is only one OG.
She's the original. She.
Roseanne doesn't take her students for granted. She is incredibly grateful for their dedication and loyalty.
It's super special that they're still with me and they're still choosing me, because there are many other options. Mariana lives in San Nicolas. I mean, and she still chooses me. And I feel grateful to have such loyal members for so many years, and I must be doing something right that they still choose me.
Meet Cody.
Bye, Cody.
He is always the first one to class, and he's definitely a cherished member of the Zumba family.
Oh yes, Cody is loved by everybody here at Zumba. He loves Zumba.
We have Cody that's always with us. He's been doing Zumba more years than I have been doing it. And you see that even though he's different, he still attends all the classes and he is very active.
Zumba is more than just an exercise class. It's an incredibly inclusive workout activity for everyone.
Yes, it's really special that everyone can do this, can do Zumba. So from small till older, so everyone can come.
The good part about Zumba is that everyone can join the class. It's easy to follow. Once you get started, you get addicted to the Zumba classes.
That's the thing about Zumba. Zumba is for everybody. It's for people in a wheelchair. It's for special. So it's for everybody, and that's what I love so much about Zumba. It's not just only, you know, like other sports can be limited to, you have to have a lot of strength in order to do this, but Zumba is literally one of the fitness programs that is for everybody.
1, 2, 3.
Zumba!